Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best D&D shirts is probably one of the most stylish ways for any fan to show off their love for the game. Whether you're a seasoned dungeon master or a fresh-faced adventurer, finding the perfect shirt can be a quest in itself. From classic logos to intricate artwork, the options are as vast and varied as the Forgotten Realms. So, grab your dice and let's dive into the world of Dungeons & Dragons shirts. Number 5. Dungeons & Dragons Dungeon Master Short Sleeve T-Shirt. Are you ready to lead your party through epic adventures? This shirt lets everyone know you're the one in charge. It's perfect for game nights and beyond. Made with soft, breathable fabric, this shirt keeps you comfortable during long gaming sessions. The design is stylish enough to wear anywhere, showing off your love for D&D. This shirt is a badge of honor for any dungeon master. It's a great way to express yourself and connect with other players. Wear it with pride. Looking for the ideal gift for the dungeon master in your life? Look no further. This shirt is a thoughtful and practical present that any DM will appreciate. Whether you're a seasoned DM or just starting out, this shirt is a must-have. It's a statement piece that celebrates the world of Dungeons & Dragons. What we like. This shirt is perfect for the dungeon master. It proudly displays your role in the game. If you are the one who guides the adventure and crafts the story, you should consider this. What people say. The shirt was soft and the colors were vibrant. Looked and fit as specified. Comfortable. Has lasted over a year without issue. Fabric breathes well and washes great. Number 4. Dungeons & Dragons Pastel Logo T-Shirt. Are you a fan of Dungeons & Dragons? This shirt is perfect for you. It features the iconic logo, letting everyone know about your favorite game. The pastel logo gives it a unique look. The soft colors make it stylish and eye-catching, perfect for everyday wear. Made from comfortable materials, it's great for any adventure. You can wear it while you're playing the game or just hanging out with friends. Show off your love for D&D with this shirt. It's a great way to express yourself and connect with other fans. Don't miss out on this awesome tee. Get it now and wear your passion proudly. What we like. The pastel logo gives it a unique and eye-catching look. It's a great way to show your love for D&D with a touch of style. If you like a more subtle and fashionable design, this is the one for you. What people say. The coloring of the shirt is exactly like it's pictured, bright and beautiful. The print quality seems to be pretty good as well. I've had this shirt for a year now and the colors and printing are still holding up. The colors are lush and vibrant and the design is very cool. Very nice quality t-shirt, jet black dye for the t-shirt color and the image was really nice also. Number 3. Dungeons & Dragons Beholder Stained Glass T-Shirt. Are you a fan of Dungeons & Dragons? Then this shirt is perfect for you. It features a stunning stained glass design of a beholder, a classic monster from the game. The intricate design is printed on a comfortable t-shirt. The vibrant colors and detailed artwork make it a real eye-catcher. It's a great way to show off your love for the game. Made from soft, high-quality materials, this shirt is comfortable to wear all day long. Whether you're at a gaming convention or just hanging out, it's a great choice. You will love it. This t-shirt is a must-have for any Dungeons & Dragons enthusiast. It's a unique and stylish way to express your passion for the game. Get yours today. This shirt is more than just clothing, it's a statement. It tells the world that you're a fan of D&D and appreciate great design. It's a fantastic addition to any wardrobe. What we like. The beholder design is iconic and the stained glass effect is visually stunning. It's a great conversation starter and a way to show off your love for the game's monsters. If you are looking for something with a bold and artistic design, this is a great choice. What people say. Fabric is really soft and comfortable. Graphics are bright and clear. Awesome shirt. Material was as expected, print is as presented and Dad loves it. This is a great quality shirt and the picture image color is wonderful. Number 2. Dungeons & Dragons Rolling Dice T-Shirt. Are you ready to embark on an epic quest? This shirt is perfect for any Dungeons & Dragons fan. It's a stylish way to show off your love for the game. Featuring a cool design inspired by the iconic dice rolls. This tee is made from comfortable material, so you can wear it all day long while you're battling dragons or just hanging out with friends. This shirt lets you build your character in style. It's a great conversation starter and a must-have for any tabletop gamer. Get ready to roll initiative. Show your love for Dungeons & Dragons with this awesome shirt. It's the perfect addition to your wardrobe, whether you're a seasoned player or new to the game. Wear it proudly. Made for comfort and adventure, this shirt is ready for anything. It's durable and easy to care for, so you can focus on your next campaign. Grab yours today. What we like. This shirt focuses on the core gameplay element of rolling dice. It's a fun and engaging design that highlights the character creation process. If you are a fan of the dice rolls and character building, you should consider this. What people say. Quality manufacture. True to size. Quality print. Fun expression for a gamer. Very comfortable. Sizing is accurate and the design is perfect. The graphic looks exactly as pictured and I am very pleased. The shirt is a great cotton blend and is very comfortable. The shirt brand is Port Company and lives up to the quality I expected of the brand. It fits perfectly. Number 1. Dungeons & Dragons How I Roll T-shirt. Are you a fan of Dungeons & Dragons? Then this is the perfect shirt for you. It's a great way to show off your love for the game. This T-shirt is a must-have for any D&D enthusiast. It's comfortable, stylish, and a great conversation starter. Get yours today. Made from high-quality materials, it's designed for both comfort and style. Wear it while you're rolling dice or just hanging out with friends. Whether you're at a game night or just running errands, it's a versatile piece. It's a great gift for any D&D player. Don't miss out on this awesome T-shirt. It's a fantastic way to express yourself. Grab it now and let everyone know how you roll. What we like. It clearly states the most important thing, how you roll. This shirt is straightforward and easy to understand. If you like a simple, direct message, this is the one for you. What people say. The shirt design is fantastic. The shirt is well made and fits true to size. The print quality is excellent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.